Hello, Shawano Middle School. This is Mr. Russ, and I am excited because today is the day that we finally begin our normal routine for Hawk Time for the 2019-2020 school year. I want to take a moment right now to just review Hawk Time with all of you. I want to talk about Exact Path and then just review our expectations as we move forward this school year. So just a reminder, Hawk Time again is 30 minutes every day. It's for 4 days of the week, we'll be working in Exact Path. That will be on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday will be Exact Path days. On Wednesday, we will be working on either second step or having Hawk Time lessons. So some of you may be wondering, why are we doing this? And we talked about this a little bit in our back to school class meetings. But just a reminder, when it comes to Exact Path, the why behind it is that we are looking at Exact Path to help students build math and reading skills. We feel these skills tie into other subjects, and ultimately, we want to challenge you to build skills that will make your normal classroom work at SCMS and beyond easier for you to complete. So what will you need to bring to Hawk Time? You should bring your Chromebook. You should also have some earbuds. If you don't have any today, that's okay, but you want to have them as we move forward here through Exact Path. You should also bring a writing utensil and a notebook in case you're somebody who likes to write notes down as you're completing problems. All right, I want to jump into Exact Path and just review what that will look like for all of you. Just a reminder for everybody, if you haven't already done so, please bookmark this address, login.edmentum.com. Once you come to this screen, your login account information will be SCMS1. Again, your login information for the account login is SCMS1. Your username is your lunch number, and your password is Hawks. Again, SCMS1 right here, username, lunch number, password, Hawks. Once you log in, you'll come up to a screen that will look something like this. Feel free to explore this toolbar and what's around here as you make your way through this program. One thing I want to draw your attention to is where it says My Rewards. And just talk a little bit about the basic premise here of Exact Path. And Exact Path is designed again to help improve student skills in reading and math. As you master skills, you'll be awarded trophies, which will be represented right here. And just so you're aware, we will be setting up competitions throughout the year to make sure that we are rewarding individuals who are doing great work here on Exact Path. So these trophies right here you'll earn with each skill that you master. And some of these things down here, this is from a challenge right here. We'll talk about those a little later. Again, all things that we will be looking to reward individuals for doing great work. But that is what the My Rewards piece is. And you'll start to see that fill up as you make your way through the program. All right, so taking a look here at the activities, all of you completed the diagnostic in math and reading. And once you completed that diagnostic, Exact Path then placed you on a learning path. That learning path was designed specifically for you, and is designed to fill in either gaps on skills you may have missed or to challenge you on subject areas that you will cover in the future. So let's take a look here at what my math learning path looks like as a student. Now I can click on select new activities or all activities. I've actually started one of these for everybody to kind of just have a look here. You'll notice there are a number of activities that I have right here as I expand out that you can see that I need to complete for math. Once I complete all of these activities, I will then take this progress check, which is locked right now. The progress check will measure if I have mastered these skills up here after completing the activities. And if I pass with a 4 out of 5 or a 5 out of 5 quiz score on each of these skills, I will then receive a trophy for each skill that I've mastered. So to take a look here at what this looks like from your side, once we're actually doing these activities, this is the interface. You'll start off with an introduction. Usually there might be some kind of cool video, followed by just an overview of what you're going to be talking about. There's usually an objective that's listed. There's an introductory video that usually links what we're talking about in this program to something in the real world. And then you'll begin working through the program, looking in this case on math. I believe I'm looking at expressing rational numbers as decimals. So the other thing I want to draw your attention to are over on the side here, you have a number of different options for tools. You can take some notes. There may be some additional resources depending on what you're covering. There's also a dictionary, so if you're looking up a word, or you're not sure what a word means, you can look it up. There is a spot here where you can actually turn on the slide narration so that this will read to you. Let's see, there's also a calculator here, some math tools for graphing, and then just a highlighter piece as well. So all things that you'll work on as you move through this program. And you'll be asked at times to fill in, either like you'll have to click numbers or you have to fill stuff in by typing it out, but that's all part of the lesson itself. If you're in the middle of a lesson and we're done for the day, you click save and exit and you move on. The tutorials are a little bit longer. The tests themselves, not as long. So just keep that in mind. Not everything is going to be 30 slides necessarily as you work your way through. All right, so what else you need to know about ExactPath here, and it's something, again, you'll be working your way through as we move forward. Know that your teachers will be connecting with you on a weekly basis, and you will be given feedback on your performance as you work your way through. So we have some really cool things that we can do to track to see how you're doing and help provide assistance for you if you need help. Again, your teachers are there to help you through this process. All right, I want to end here by looking at Hawk Time expectations just to make sure that we're all on the same page for what you'll be assessed on. Every 6 weeks, every grading period, you'll receive a rubric that will outline your progress for Hawk Time. And there's 4 categories that you're going to be assessed on. The first one is engagement. And to meet the expectations, you have to make sure that you worked on your Hawk Time lesson for the entire period. For citizenship, we want you to be to class on time, be positive, and make sure that you're complying with all classroom rules. When it comes to your preparation, we want you to always be ready for Hawk Time, have that Chromebook fully charged, and have a paper and pencil to work with, especially on Wednesdays. You'll need that for second step as well. And then your attitude, we want you to be positive about Hawk Time lessons. Students always using a growth-oriented language here as you're going through this process. So just a reminder to everybody again, Hawk Time is designed to help improve your skills, to make your time at SCMS and beyond easier. All right, we will have challenges and competitions throughout the year. So just stay tuned for that. We want to make sure we're rewarding you for your hard work. All right, SCMS students, have a great day and let's get to work.